how to get in front of your dream customers. You guys, welcome to the 4th episode of Traffic Secret series. My name is Mario and I'm excited to share with you this secret. So, secret number 4. We are going to talk about how to get in front of your dream customers, and there are 2 ways to do this. So the first one is by working your way in, right? And the second one is by buying your way in. And you will understand very soon what this all means. So let's get right into it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do so now, because we are going to reveal all 20 secrets from this awesome book. This is the new book from Russell Brunson on traffic. So subscribe to my channel so you make sure that you don't miss out on upcoming episodes. So how can you work your way in, right? So first, if you watched previous episode, you were supposed to find your dream customers. At first, you were supposed to identify who is your dream 100, right? Because those dream 100 people, they have your dream customers, right? And when you find these people, so for example, for Russell Brunson, it was one of his dream 100 was Tony Robbins, right? And so when you identify your dream 100 accordingly to your niche and your market, then you start digging your well before you are thirsty, right? So Russell didn't come to Tony and ask him to promote his books right away, right? Because that's how nobody likes that, right? Many people in the marketplace just spam their services by the first message when they reach out, right? And this is not smart way to do it. So the way how Russell described the strategy is you join their list of that dream 100, right? You subscribe to the YouTube channel, you like the Facebook page, Instagram, you become follower, and you comment on their posts, right? And you just make yourself visible so that person know that you exist even before you reach out to them, right? And after you do this, then you can reach out, right? After you interacted with their content, then you can reach out. And so that was the phase 1. The phase 2 is you send a message, right? But do not send a template message, because that doesn't work. You have to use their name, right? Hey Bob, and then just take interest in that person accordingly to what they are doing, right? So it will be impressive when you've been observing that person content, that you know what their content is all about and what they are trying to do. Now, don't talk about yourself, right? So here are red flags that Russell Brunson described. Do not send template message. Red flag number 2, don't tell me your story yet. So you can't tell your story right away, right? You need to be interested in that person first, your dream 100. And so here are some green light that Russell Brunson is describing. So green light number 1. This isn't the first time I've ever seen your face, right? So this is what I've been talking about. You need to interact with their posts, you comment on them, right? And then the green light number 2, tell me how great I am. So who doesn't like a compliment, right? That's how we humans are built. So just compliment them on something that they've built and that it delivered value to your life, right? Green light number 3, they've done their homework, right? So this is, you have to know who that person is. You need to know everything about them. Green light number 4, they don't ask for anything now, right? So if this is a huge influential person that has millions of followers. You just try to build a relationship and you do not ask about favor right away. And then there will be, you need to try to make that Dream 100 person your fan. And you may even buy their stuff, right? Their courses, books, right? And afterwards, when you create this relationship with that person, and when the time is right, you can ask that person if maybe if you are creating online course, you can send them a free access and ask them if they would be willing to interview you at their Facebook or YouTube, right, to get in front of or promote it to your email list, and you can share some profit with that person. And this is how you get in front of your dream customers, by making that person who control that audience your friend, right? And now so that was the first part, and now the second part. Maybe you will not be able, if this is a huge, like, famous person, maybe you will not be able to, he will not be able to promote, he will just don't want to promote you for any reason in front of his audience. Maybe he will, like 10 years later, like Tony Robbins promoted Russell, right? It took like 10 years for Russell to build this relationship with Tony. So what you can do is still get in front of that dream customers. You can buy your way in, right? And so this is another secret. This is another part of this secret. You can go to Facebook, you can go to Mark Zuckerberg and give him money, exchange money for you pay for marketing, pay for ads, and you show your ad accordingly to interest. You put Tony Robbins, right? If you want to get in front of the audience of Tony Robbins. And so this is another way to do it, but you still, and this is actually how Russell Brunson did it, right? He was not able to, in the first 10 years, that's how he was getting in front of Tony Robbins' customers. And afterwards, Tony, even like after Russell Brunson created a relationship with Tony, he promoted him on, he promoted Expert Secrets, the book that Russell wrote, on his Facebook, I believe, on his social media. And so guys, if you want to have, like, here, this is crazy, here are like the numbers, the funnels, like the breakdown of the funnels, how it works and everything. And so if you want free copy of this book, then I put link in the description of this video. So just click it, you can get free copy of this book. It will change your business, it will transform, and you will be able to generate traffic and learn these powerful methods. So just click it, you will get it for free. Russell will ship it to you. Just cover small shipping, like $10 in US and $20 international. It's a hardcover book, so it's not any kind of trick or anything. It's literally for free. You just cover the cost of the shipping. And yeah, if this episode brought you any value, just like the button, smash that like button, leave me a question below if there was something unclear, and also let me know who is your Dream 100, right? If you've already identified them, and just let me know below in the comments, and I will get back to you. Would like to talk to you guys. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, so you don't miss out the 5th episode. That is going to be traffic that you want, traffic that you own, right? This is exciting one. If you are not building traffic that you own, you are not building real business. So make sure that you don't miss this out. And yeah. Now you can watch another video from this episode, right? If you haven't watched any of previous episodes, you can do it now, and I will see you on the next one.